Hi kids, writing capital A and writing small a. Capital A and small a. Next letter is B. Letter B. Capital B and small b. Next letter is C. Letter C. Capital C and small c. Next letter is D. Capital D and small d. Next letter is E. Capital letter E and small e. Next letter is F. Letter F. Capital F and small f. Next letter is Z. Capital Z and small z. Next letter is S. Letter S is capital S and small s. Next letter is I. Capital I and small I. Next letter is J. Letter Z. Capital J and small j. Next letter is K. Capital K and small k. Next letter is L. Capital L and small l. Next letter is M. Capital M and small m. Capital N and small n. Next letter is O. Capital O and small o. Capital P and small p. Next letter is Q. Capital Q and small q. Next letter is R. Capital R and small r. Next letter is S. Capital S and small s. Next letter is T. Capital T and small t. Next letter is U. Capital U and small u. Next letter is B. Capital B and small v. Capital W and small w. Next letter is X. Capital X and small x. Next letter is Y. Capital Y and small y. Next letter is Z. Capital Z and small z. Once again A. Small a. B. Small b. C. Small c. D. Small d. E. Small e. F. Small f. Z. Small z. H. Small h. I. Small I. J. Small z. K. Small k. L. Small l. M. Small m. N. Small n. O. Small o. P. Small p. Q. Small q. R. Small r. S. Small s. T. Small t. U. Small u. V. Small b. W. Small w. X. Small x. Y. Small y. Z. And small z. Okay friends, next video learn numbers 1 to 100 coming in 2 days. Like and subscribe.